We're now working with our colleagues from the entrepreneurship and business world where we have never worked before. So this innovation is trying to tap the wealth of network of young entrepreneurs to address the sexual reproductive health which is affecting young people in Tanzania.
Harakati za Lucy is a 3D animation film, and with this film we based every element within the central character, Lucy. So currently we are trying to explore the area of teenage pregnancy. By using this episode, we need to do a research to see how men are involved.
What do you think you as men can do to reduce the rate of early pregnancies, early teen pregnancies?
Respecting the dreams of others.
So you're talking about like respecting the dreams of the girls that are in secondary schools, and self-awareness. When you say self-awareness, you mean for the boys or for the girls?
Everyone.
Boys and girls.
So both of them, they should be self-aware. So for us to get that information from them, it's going to help us to be able to build the content that really can create change in the community.
In Harakati za Lucy, I represent Lucy as a teenage girl. She's living with her father or her uncle. There's no female support around the house, and Lucy cannot even talk to them about that. Teachers, colleagues who are boys do not understand the environment. So at that point, Lucy is totally confused, and you have to show that there's so many other girls who are confused. There are times Lucy is happy and she's living up to her dreams, and everyone is like giving her support, and that is the environment we want to build.
We decided to compare this in the environment to look like a real Tanzanian environment. He's asking her how she's doing, and then she says, "I'm still sick." What I'm doing here is adding this trouser to Zongwe, so when he moves, it goes with him.
iAccelerator in Tanzania is a Mkwawa Accelerator, where they had 5 statements that they wanted all youth that has innovative ideas in this area. They should come together and build the idea up so that they become stronger, and then get the seed fund to be able to implement the idea. And for us, we fit in by covering the area of influencing or educating men and boys to participate in SRH issues.
Most of these young entrepreneurs who have been participating in the acceleration are linked to different issues which impact sexual reproductive health, policy, engagement of men, access to youth-friendly services, social culture factors. You know, those have been like the big topics. When we reach the end, and this product, they have this seed money, then it's going to help the young people, but it's also going to help increasing access to sexual reproductive health, but also addressing some of the bottlenecks which are affecting the provision of sexual and reproductive health, information, education, and services.
We are going to Iringa, a southern highland town of Tanzania, 500 kilometers from Dar es Salaam, about a 10-hour drive. We're going to meet Mkwawa Art Space. They are using art as a means of communication. As well, they are going to do their delivery through rural areas. We are using youth to come up with their own solution or idea on how best they can solve these issues. But it's not only coming up with the idea, we are looking for ideas which has backings of business. So we believe by having business-oriented ideas, we are entering the component of sustainability by themselves, because this will be running as a business, and even if we'll be leaving, the project will end, this intervention will continue to be there.
We see drama and music and other things of beauty in art is the best way of reaching people.
So here we do several projects. For example, what I'm doing here, I'm just making a illustration book. As you see, the first thing I do, I just prepare my characters for the story. Sometimes you can find someone is having a skill, but he doesn't have the marketing strategy. So he fails to do business because of that weakness. So marketing strategy, teaching marketing strategy to people is very important.
We are going to sell tickets for concerts, music concerts, and for drama too, like people coming, watching, people making some movies. By doing that, we think we are going to get the money that will support us.
Not only rich people, but also poor people love art. And art is the cheapest way to reach people. For example, we organize a concert which will bring information through drama and music. So it will be a good platform to educate many people as possible. We need also to train them with enterprise skills so as they can depend themselves.
There is a close linkage between innovations that is targeting on addressing sexual and reproductive health and with issues on economic empowerment. Once the health of the young people will be promoted, they will be able to participate in the economic activities for the betterment of their well-being.